Okay guys, so before we get started, I just want to show you how to multiply numbers. Like if we have a negative number times a positive number or two negative numbers, you need to know that before you can simplify expression or you can expand brackets. So the first one is a positive times multiplied by a positive, that's a positive equals gives us a positive. That's easy. And the next one is a positive times a negative gives us a negative. The next one is a negative number multiplied by a positive. That looks like a multiplication. Multiplied by a positive number also gives us a negative number. And a negative number times a negative number gives us a positive number. So that's what we need to know. Negative times a negative gives us a positive times a positive gives us a positive number. A positive number times a negative number gives us a negative number, and a negative number times a positive number gives us a negative number, and two negative numbers multiplied gives us a positive number. Okay guys, welcome back. So today we're gonna expand brackets. So the first question is 6 all in bracket x plus 2 times x plus 2. So what we'll do, we'll multiply the 6 what is outside by the first term inside, and we'll still multiply the same 6 by the next term in the bracket. So that's 6 times x, that's 6x, plus 2 times 6, that's 12. So that's 6x plus 12. And this cannot be broken down because they're unlike terms. So if we had x here, we could add them together. Or if we had the x wasn't here, we could add the 12 and the 6, but they're not like terms, so we'll just leave it like that. The next example is 3x minus 4. Okay, we're gonna expand these brackets. So we have 3 times x and the 3 times the 4. So 3 times x, that's 3x, minus, bring back this sign here, minus 3 times 4, that's 12. That's 12. That's 12. So that's 3x minus 12. Our next example is x, open bracket, x plus 4. Okay, so we're gonna multiply and expand it. So that's x times x, that's x squared, and x times 4 times positive 4 is positive 4x, and that cannot be broken down because there are two different terms. This is x squared and this is 4x, and they're different, so we cannot add them or anything nor put them together. So that's it for this question. The next example is minus x times x minus 9. We're going to expand this bracket. So x times x, that's negative x squared. Negative x times negative 9, that's positive 9. Negative times a negative gives us a positive. So that's positive 9x. And that's it for this question. Okay, guys, here's our next example. This example requires us to expand the brackets and also simplify. So what we're going to do first is expand this side. So 5 times x is 5x, and 5 times 2 is 10, and we bring back down the negative 2x. What we're gonna do now, we can group the like terms. So we see that we have a 5x and a 2x. Yes, they look alike. So like terms, so that's 5x minus 2x plus 10. So we're gonna simplify now. 2x minus 5x, 5x from minus 2x, that gives us 3x. So that's 3x plus 10. So our answer here is 3x plus 10. Okay, this is our next question. It's a little more complex, but it's the same thing that we're doing. So first we're going to multiply the a times the 3a and the a times the 4. Then we're going to multiply the negative 2 times the 4a and the negative 2 times the negative 7. So that's a times 3a, so that's 3a squared plus a times 4, that's 4a squared. No, that's 4a, sorry, that's 4a minus negative 2 times 4a, that's negative 8a, negative 2 times negative 7, that's positive 14. Okay, now the next step is to look and see if we have any terms that are similar, so we can simplify. So we have 4a and 8a. So we have 3a squared, 4a, positive 4a, and negative 8a gives us negative 4a plus, there's nothing else that can simplify the 3a squared nor the 14, so that's it. So the answer is 3a squared minus 4a plus 14.